welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Another episode, another new recipe. Unique, tasty, delicious paneer recipe, that is paneer sandwich pakora. This is entirely a vegetarian recipe and a perfect party snack. Even though partying is not allowed right now, but we can always have party with our family. So do make this recipe for your family and have party with them. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's jump into the recipe and make paneer sandwich pakora. For that, here I have taken some coriander leaves, a bunch of coriander leaves, 15 to 20 mint leaves, 3 green chilies, 1 inch ginger and 5-6 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to make a paste of it. So I'm taking everything into the mixing jar. There goes mint leaves, then the coriander leaves, then ginger, I have roughly chopped them, then garlic and green chilies. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chili according to your wish. Next, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to use some sugar as well, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Use the salt according to your taste. If you don't like it much, reduce the amount. Then 3 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to grind it into a smooth paste. So in with the lid, and after that we are back, and as you can see, green vibrant color of the green chutney. So this is the basic green chutney we use for everything. So this is how we make green chutney and it's ready. So now for making the sandwich pakora, into the green chutney I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of roasted gram flour or chana dal sattu and mix it. Use it 1 teaspoon first, then if you think it's required more, then only add. We need a thick chutney like this. So this is the stuffing. We are going to stuff the paneer with this. It's ready. Next, here I have taken 200 grams of paneer. Now I'm going to cut it into big chunks like this. First cut it into 2 halves, then big squares, like this. We get 4 squares, and then I'm going to cut it from the middle like this. So I'm going to do the same with the others as well. And this is the size of the paneer cubes you require for this recipe. Next, we are going to need bell peppers or green capsicum. Cut off the head and the tail part, and we need to de-seed them as well. So discard this head and tail, use it for other recipes. Now cut it from middle and remove all the stalks and seeds. We don't need them. Now I'm going to cut them in big chunks, just in the shape of the paneer. Cut them in equal shape of the paneer cubes because we are going to sandwich them with the capsicum. So I'm going to cut the other pieces as well, these big chunks. It's a very healthy recipe because capsicum contains vitamin C, which we require now. Next, I'm going to make a batter. For that, here I have taken half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida. To that I have added 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. and a pinch of baking soda. Then mix everything up and using little bit of water we are going to make a quite thick paste, not too thick but quite thick batter. So don't add all the water together, add little by little. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons first, then I am going to add 3 more tablespoons. You can use measuring spoons for using 3 tablespoons, but I am using just like that. Now 2 tablespoons more and whisk it thoroughly so that there is no lumps, and the batter is ready. Whisk it for at least 5 minutes continuously, and this is the consistency of the batter, quite thick. So it's done. Now we are going to stuff the paneer and make the paneer sandwich. For that, take a cube of paneer, add the stuffing, then place another cube of paneer like this. So this is the paneer sandwich, and then apply more paste. Sorry, my camera is placed in wrong position. I am going to show you in the second one properly. So on the both side I have applied this paste of green chutney and covered both sides with capsicum. Then to hold them together I am going to use one toothpick like this, and it's done. So this is how we are going to make the paneer sandwich. So again here apply some paste, then sandwich it with another piece of paneer, apply some more on the top of it, spread it. Next on the other side as well apply some chutney as well, then place capsicum of equal size on both sides and secure with a toothpick, and it's ready. I'm going to do the same with the others, and all our paneer sandwiches are ready. So we are going to make the pakora by frying them. For that, here in a pan I have taken 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm going to dip every paneer sandwich into the batter, coat each and every side properly with the thick batter like this, and drop it into the hot oil. The oil is medium hot, not too hot, otherwise the capsicum will be undercooked. That way I'm going to make 3 in one batch. Don't overcrowd the pan. Then over medium flame I'm going to fry them till they are golden in color, tossing them every now and then. So toss them when they're quite done, just a little bit done, not entirely done. So we need to toss them on all 4 sides, so all 4 sides are cooked through. I'm using this tongue, it's easier to toss them with this. So as you can see, they are quite getting the golden color. I have tossed them every now and then, so it took me like 5-6 minutes over medium flame to get this color. Now I'm going to remove it on a plate over a tissue paper so that the excess oil is soaked by the tissue paper. Now they are done. I have garnished them with some ketchup and fresh coriander leaves and serve them with some ketchup, and it's perfect. So do make this recipe for your friends, family and your children. Trust me, your children are going to love this recipe. This is just perfect. super delicious, super yummy. Do make this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you.